Hello, and welcome to Monstrum, version 1.0. Well, that means that the game got fully released. It is no longer in early access. It has now gone up like $3. And now the third monster is out. The fiend, which is unknown to me basically. I haven't really seen anything on it, just for fun, because I thought I would try to encounter it in game for a video. Don't know quite what it looks like or what I might find, but I just thought, let's go. They've changed a few things and made them more interesting, as they probably should when they fully release a game. So ideally, things have definitely changed from the way they were in the past. Door. What's going on? Open door. Alright. Sweet, there's nothing in that room. It's time to check this room. There's usually stuff in here. Clippers. I don't know if I want clippers. Probably not going to be taking a helicopter. The helicopter. Whoa. Heard that noise before, I think. Heard things move slightly like that and stuff. What's going on? The ambience is real. Oh, I'm on the fine, lovely port side of the ship. I don't know. I don't know the directions of ships and starboard and poop deck, and I don't know it, man. I'm sorry. All that I know is, like, I don't want to be on this boat. That's all I got. Whoa. I hear a new ambient effect. I hear wind. What does this mean? I think this means that I'm slightly scared. The fear of the unknown is real. I don't know the functions of this new monster. I don't know how it works. I don't know its capabilities. So, I'm kinda perhaps playing it a little cautious right now. Whoa, what's going on? There's so much sparking. Nope, I want to be in here. I have no way to defend myself. Oh boy, I'm kind of scared right now. There's nothing in here. Oh man, those noises. It sounds like a door's being opened. Oh boy. If you're trying to find out where the monster's coming from, it's always a good idea to be outside and stuff. Quit, audio. Stop being annoying. What are you doing, camera? What is going on with this audio right now? Maybe in the new update. Whoa! 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 Run! Run! Do you know what does it mean? Ah, that legitimately scared the crap out of me. I don't even know what that was. All I knew is I saw purple. There's purple, and I was scared. Some interesting chase music. Oh man, this guy is scary. Whoa! The sound is so weird. Sounds like I'm in like a pixel video game or something. At least that's the sound. Oh, this is so creepy. I don't like these sounds that are coming from this monster. It's not cool. Whoa. Whoa. It sounds really close. Calm down. These noises are not familiar to me. Man. Would you just listen to all those noises? I'm legitimately scared. This ambience is just too much, man. Calm down. Is this ambience just gonna continue throughout this whole game? Oh. Oh. Oh man, what do I do? I don't know this monster's style. Please don't let me run directly into him. I don't want it. Just calm down, Mr. Monster Man. Well, I think for me, for calm down. I think for what I have, calm down, ambience. Ambience. It's like ridiculous, this ambience. It's making my frames be low for some reason, which I apologize for. Go away. Oh man, it's having me on edge, like, too much, man. Like, get in there quick. I don't approve, man. Ah, man, I just wasted that. I already have one of those. Oh man, calm down, ambience. Ambience. Just can't help it. I gotta. Whoa, helicopter keys. Well, I understand, like, why it might be having, there might be problems with all the frames at first for the game, because it did just come out, this whole version 1, so they might have had a few problems, maybe. I don't know. I don't know this new monster's capabilities. I don't know what it's gonna try to pull, man. Like, that's the scariest thing. Is like, it might have some kind of ability to teleport or something, like, right up in my jazz, and like, I'll be dead before I know it, and stuff like that, and like, that's bad. So, whoa! don't think he saw me. At least I don't think so. All that I know is this fool is looking for me. I'll just put that there. Cause why not? Just in case. I mean, just in case I wanna. I don't know how I would properly accomplish doing that if like he can like grip onto my mind with whatever purpleness was like going on with my face when he was like looking at me and stuff, or chasing me. I mean, let's just do a quick little checkup. Oh man, this game really wants me to go take the helicopter right now. Ambience, you need to calm down, dude. I've got problems with being in one place for too long right now. I just feel like this guy is gonna be on top of me before I know it. I'm just running. I'm just running. Just taking a break. Taking a jog. He does like to chill around in this area, I've noticed so far. Oh man. Oh, what's going on, man? I think it's slightly... Everything seems to be like sort of bugged more than it was before. More than it was before. And that rhymed. I'm the king of rhymes. Would you calm down, Ambience? You're making me paranoid. Oh, that was lucky. What's going on in here? That's useful, right there. I'm keeping this sucker out. Well, I gotta use this right now, so just really quick. Okay, this is. Whoa. Maybe I get an audio hint if he's close. Wonder if that's the case. Whoa. From what I can tell so far, this guy's pretty intelligent. Whoa. The door just opened, man. Like, whoa. What are you doing? What's going on? Oh. Whoa, dude. I see purple. I think this guy knows what's up. Quit being all intelligent and stuff. It's not cool, dude. Uh-oh. I really don't like you. I really have a problem with, like... And dude. Just like, man, and... I'm at a loss for words. Go away. What are you doing? Oh, you are creepy. Dude. That is not something I want to see. That thing. Actually did a really good job of making this third feller. Okay, the ambience is sort of calming, just slightly. Yeah, this guy knows exactly what I'm talking about. Heavy breathing. Man, it's so loud. At least for me. I don't think there's anything going on in here. I'm having this out right now. Well, he went this way. Probably should not go this way. think this guy's pretty intelligent to follow me into rooms, so I'm just gonna chill under here for a few seconds and see if he ends up opening the door behind me. I think he stalks his prey, and then once they're cornered in a room, he comes in. That's a theory so far. I'm gonna see if it's true. Which means maybe the proper way to combat this guy is to always be moving and not stay in a room for too long. If that is the case. I want to see if that door opens. Stop being all creepy and stuff. This is like electricity plus mind control plus aliens all in one. I don't approve. I don't. This ambience and problematicness. Am I wearing like a no sleeves shirt? That's what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna slip out. Hopefully it won't bust down the door. Oh man, this ambience is getting to me. I cannot concentrate on finding anything. Whoa! Run! Bad place to run. Just keep running. Just keep running. Kitchen, this is not where I want to run. Uh-oh, this is bad. There's a sufficient amount of badness right now. Badness! Run! Don't get psyched. Oh, badness. The badness is real. What's his chase speed? He doesn't appear to be very fast. At least from what I see right now. I lost him fairly quickly. He's not like the brute where speed is key. Oh! Hello. Get away from me, you. He's probably still giving chase right now. Yeah, that's taking him a considerable amount of time to get to me, which means if I'm able to get away from him, maybe his thing is like he's able to track me better, but he's not as fast to catch me. Maybe that's his thing. Because every monster has like a way they try to catch you and stuff. Hey. Ever since this version came out, like, this game is like being all weird with breaking points in audio and like weirdness. I'm gonna see if he comes in here. Are you coming in here? I think he's still chasing me. I really don't like this trippy music. Stop being trippy. It's tripping me out. Like, I don't like it. Where are you? I'm betting he's still chasing me. I don't like this guy. This trippy music is too much, man. It's too much. Just go. Doesn't matter what they say. Okay, that was really... Come on, you can make it. You can make it. You can make it. Oh, dude. No, dude. Just no. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh no. No. ah. Ah. Oh man. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to combat this. I don't know. I'll play another one later. I think that'll be it for now, though. Thank you. Oh wait, main menu. Yes. Thank you for watching this. This is the Fiend, sort of. He's not groovy, man. And, like, he gives out a lot of ambience that will really, really trip you out. Like, I can't get any hints to... Okay, so the thing is that the brute, you can tell if he's nearby by, like, the footsteps. Like, that obviously is a dead giveaway, as well as he has a big headlight on his face. And with the little feller who like has claws and stuff, aka the hunter, he likes to bust out of strange places and get the jump on you. He's a little bit slower than the brute, but not quite as slow as this guy. This guy's really slow, but he's really trippy. So yeah, but the way you beat the hunter is like he surprise attacks you, and you just try to run away as best you can, which, you know, that's easy since obviously you're faster than him, but like and you can also hear him walking, so he makes like a sludging sound. But with this one, the audio is like all scrambled, like the audio is just trying to mess with you this whole the whole time, and like I couldn't really tell what was the up and up because the audio was just crazy. And there might be, you know, when the music got more loud or more intense, like that could be a cue that he's close, or like also he doesn't have feet, you know, like what do you do? How do you hear somebody who doesn't have footsteps? But well, you can sort of see him a little bit with his purpley glowiness, and that's that, you know. I don't know. I'll try to beat him, though. I'll try to escape in some form, soon. But for now, that's it. That's the Fiend of version 1.0. Thank you. Goodbye. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.